Hello friends, let's discuss now various types of ions produced in the mass spectrometer. The ions like molecular ion, isotopic ion, multiply charged ion, negative ion, fragment ion, radical ion, cluster ion, daughter ion, dimeric ion, even electron ion, metastable ion, rearrangement ion, and adduct ions are get formed. So let us see one by one. First is the molecular ion. This molecular ion is get formed by the removal of single electron from a neutral molecule in its gaseous state by the bombardment of 70 electron volt of energy. You can see here methanol is the neutral molecule, and when we bombard this molecule with high energy electrons, then this electron eject one more electron from this neutral molecule, and there is a formation of cation radical which is called molecular ion. And after formation of this molecular ion, further fragmentation takes place to this molecule in a different way. So this formed ion is called molecular ion after ejection of one electron, and total bombarded electron 1 and ejected electron 1, total electrons are 2 here. Multiply charged ions. These ions that have gained or lost more than one electron during ionization or fragmentation. They may be singly charged, doubly charged, or triply charged, depends upon number of electrons gained or lost during that process. These are recorded at half and one-third value of m by z of molecular ion respectively. Let's take one example. This is the mass spectrum of Cry-C, and the molecular ion is appeared at 228, and the peak at 114, half to the molecular ion, is due to the multiply charged ion. So this multiply charged ion gives peak at half and one-third value of m by z of molecular ion. Isotopic ions. We know that elements like carbon, bromine, chlorine, sulfur, they contain isotopes. Due to that naturally occurring isotopes, these isotopes differ in their m by z ratio. And ionic fragments of the same chemical formula are usually represented by multiple adjacent peaks attributable to ions of different isotopic combinations. Example, this is ethyl bromide. So bromine having two isotopes 79 and 81. This is the example of ethyl chloride. Chlorine is having two isotopes at 35 and 37. So molecular ion peak along with this isotopic peak, we will get two peaks in the mass spectrum, and the difference between these two is 2. So let us see by observing the mass spectrum. So this is the mass spectrum of ethyl bromide, and this is the molecular ion peak m plus, and this is the isotopic peak m plus 2, having the near about same intensity because the percentage of both isotopes Br79 and Br81 is 50-50. That's why the intensity is almost equal, and this one is the isotopic peak. Now this is the example of this is the representative example of carbon containing compound, and this m plus 1 peak is the m plus 1 peak is due to the presence of carbon 13 isotope. And this mass spectrometry used to study the isotopes. This is the specific application of this spectroscopy. Now, metastable ion. short lifespan ion formed with sufficient excitation energy to dissociate spontaneously during its flight from ion source to the detector. This metastable ion is having very short life. The peak is having low intensity and broad peak. You can see here. And the peak appears at non-integral mass number. So it is not useful to study the structural aspect, but it is useful to study the mechanism of fragmentation, how the molecules get fragmented. Let us take one example. Metastable peak of 1-propanol appears at M by Z 29.4. This is the non-integral value due to the elimination of water. So this metastable ion peak gives information is that there is a elimination of water. So let us see this equation. This is the cation radical or molecular ion of 1-propanol. After further fragmentation, there is a formation of daughter ion and elimination of water molecule. So this is the molecular ion, this is the daughter ion, and this is the eliminated water. So there is one formula, metastable ion is equal to daughter ion square divided by molecular ion. So M by Z value of daughter ion is 42 square divided by M by Z value of molecular ion 60 divided by 60, we get the value 29.4. It means that the daughter ion is having M by Z value 42, hints that there is a elimination of water. So remember this statement, it is useful to study the mechanism of fragmentation, how it is get fragmented. The rearrangement ion. An ion formed during fragmentation from molecular ion by rearrangement is called rearrangement ion. Most of the time these rearrangement ions show peak having more intensity. For example, tropylium ion. Normally this ion forms by rearrangement. And here is the mentioned example is that tropylium ion formed during the fragmentation of propyl benzene. So such type of rearrangement takes place. Such type of rearrangement also takes place in McLafferty rearrangement or any other type of rearrangement. So rearrangement types play important role in mass spectrometry having more intensity. Negative ions. Along with the cation radicals or cations, there are also formation of some negative ions. But these negative ions are not detected by the detectors. Fragment ions. These are formed from the parent molecule or analyte molecule having formula weight less than the molecular ion. There are two ways. First one is by breaking one or more bonds of molecular ion, and second is from its ionized derivative. They may be cations, anions or radical cations, whatever it may be. Daughter ions. Initially formed ion, precursor ion, undergoes further fragmentation and produces smaller ions having less molecular weights are called daughter ions. So let us see this example. This is the fragmentation of toluene. We can say that this is the daughter ion of this precursor ion. Radical ions. Radical ions can contain an unpaired electron. It is get formed by cleavage of bond, and we know that radicals and anions are not detected in the mass spectrum, but cation radicals are detected. So this is the way of fragmentation. This molecule is detected, but this will not get detected in the mass spectrometer. So here is also elimination of this radical, breaking of this bond. So there is a formation of radical ions, but they are not detected. Cluster ions. Cluster ions are also formed by interaction of two or more ions, atoms or molecule of a chemical species with other species. So these are several ions produced during the ionization and fragmentation of that particular molecule in the mass spectrometer.